Welcome back and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Jada Renee back with another video, and it's not just no typical video. Today we're going to be doing Fulani braids with CurlsQueen. So they sent me a half wig, a curly half wig. They sent me this cute little bag. It comes with this cute brush and a cute satin silky brown bun. Isn't that the cutest? So y'all, this is basically how the half wig looks. This is what it looks like in the inside. It comes with 4 combs, one at the top, one on the 2 sides, and then one at the very bottom here. As y'all can see, it comes with a elastic band at the back. This is really tea. That's cute. They have 9 different textures, 9 different styles. If y'all like the way my hair turned out, make sure y'all go shop with CurlsQueen. But this is the half wig we're going to be working with. I'm very excited. I haven't did Fulani braids in so long, so I'm very excited to do this half wig for today. Before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification so you can get notified every time your girl dropping a video. I like to do when I do my Fulani braids, and I can't braid for nothing, but I'm going to have my sister come help me, well, braid my hair. So I like to start on freshly washed hair with no products in my hair. We're actually going to use a brush to brush my hair out. So I like to start with freshly washed hair. I have no product in my hair. So this is basically how my hair looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to part the front half of my hair. So I don't like to take too much hair out, because Fulani braids, I feel like the braids should stop like right here, and then the half wig sits right there. So I like to do it with, I like to part my hair even with my ear. So we're just gonna clean it up. I'm trying to get that as straight as possible. Okay, so now that we got this section straight, we're gonna do the same thing to this side. Like when you do half wigs, y'all, don't have them braids going all the way back to the back of your head and your half wig sitting like far back. It's not supposed to be like that. Okay, so now that we got this side, we're gonna put this in a ponytail, and then we're gonna put the rest of it in a ponytail. I don't know how many braids she's gonna put in my head, but we gonna see. So this is basically how it looks so far. The sides, that you see how I got enough hair. It's not like a big old part, because I feel like the half wig should sit right here instead of back here. But yeah, that's basically what we're looking like. I'm gonna bring my sister in here so she can braid my hair, because I cannot braid. I'm gonna show y'all the process of that. So let's get the braiding. So guys, these are the edges I'm gonna be leaving out, and she's gonna basically finish, like, straighten up the part at the back if it's not straight.
You're now tuned into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ Arlo.
Te amo, she says to me. I hear a babe in her voice. Then we danced underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. And she said, te amo. Then she put her hand around my lips. Told her no, she cried, te amo. Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. she said, "Say hello." Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Say hello." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw it to cry. I asked you why. I said, "Say hello." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't wanna be in love you. Think it means I love you. Don't wanna be in love you. Listen, we can dance. You gotta wash your hands. Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. And she said, "Say hello." Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Say hello."
So as y'all can see, she's done with my braids. I like them. This is basically how the braids look. At the back, it's literally braided. I'm gonna just tuck this long braid inside of a braid. I think they look good. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the half wig. And this is what's gonna make the hairstyle. See, right here, that's where I'm gonna add the combs. It's 4 combs. One right here, one right here, one right here, and also one at the very bottom to get at the back of your head. Don't mind my little twig at the back sticking out. But I'm literally going to clip it. When I say you have to be careful when you clip it because it can hurt your head. But overall, it should be fine. That's why it's good to have braids in the back. Okay, we're gonna clip this side over here as well. Okay, cool. Then we're gonna clip it, put the comb in the back. It also has a drawstring. We're gonna pull this drawstring to make it even tighter. And now it's secure. So this is basically where the crochet needle comes in. So I'm basically going to pull some of the curly pieces and like crochet it into the braid so you don't see this. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm literally just gonna pull a couple of pieces of hair and literally just crochet it in. I'm gonna crochet it in the braid. So we're gonna pull that like that. Gonna hook that crochet on a piece of hair like that. That piece of hair, braid like that, and you can pull it back. So basically what I just did there, I'm gonna do it to all of them. Do y'all see the difference? But this is basically what the hair is looking like. It's very full, it's curly, it's nice, it's pretty. The hair smells very, very good. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna part it. You can also face frame, but I don't think I am because I kind of like the way it's looking. I'm gonna section this little part off. I'll pin this up. So I like to go in with some water first. Drench it. Then we're gonna go in with the brush. This brush, we're gonna brush it from the bottom to the top, the rooter to the tutor. Do y'all see those curls? Moves my hands, run it through, run it through, run it through, run it through. And I'm going to go in hand by hand and finger coil them like that. You can also use gel to finger coil it, but I'm going to use mousse and water, honestly. And then I like to scrunch it up. And yeah, so basically what we just did there, we're going to do that on my entire head.
Somebody tell me what she said. Don't mean I love you. Think it means I love you. Don't mean I love you. I think it means I love you. I love you.
this is basically what this side looks like. And I'm gonna snip a couple of pieces off in the front that are kind of like straggles, so it just looks more crisp and precise. Never be afraid to cut that wig, y'all. Cut the hair. But yeah, this is basically what this side looks like. It's very cute. I'm gonna come back when this side is done. So y'all, this is basically how the hair looks fully wet. I think she's really cute. There's so many ways you can wear this hair. You can flip it over here. One, two over here. It's so many cute ways you can wear this hair. So this is basically what the hair looks like. It's very full, thick, luscious, gorgeous, smells great. Now homegirl is gonna do her edges, and that's basically it, guys. I'm gonna do my edges really quickly.
Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Mr. DJ, someone you replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All the girls on the dance floor wanting some more. Mr. DJ.
Okay, so guys, this is basically the hair, the finishing hairstyle. The Fulani braids with the half wig from CurlsQueen. Looks very cute. This is very summery. This is a vacation hairstyle. This is like if you don't want to really do too much to your hair. Really cute, quick, easy. You can take it off, you can put it on before you go to sleep. You can take it off, you wake up, you can put it back on. I just love how easygoing this hairstyle is. Now if y'all like this hairstyle, make sure y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about this half wig from CurlsQueen. CurlsQueen has 9 different half wigs, 9 different textures. I mean, what more can I say? It's really cute. It's very full. I'm gonna show y'all the back of my hair. It's very flat. It's very full. So shake. But yeah, I think this hairstyle is very, very cute. It fits me.
Buy one, even 2 by 2. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Tip it low, then you bring it up slow. Run it up one time, run it back once more. Come run, 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 run. Everybody move, run. Let me see you move, run. Rock it to the groove, done. Shake it till the moon becomes the sun. Everybody in the club, give me a run, run. If you ready to move, say yeah. One time for your mindset. Yeah.
Anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.